Mastering Jump Rope Techniques, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: jump rope techniques. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a fun way to stay active, jump roping offers a great workout and improves coordination. Let's jump right in and explore the basics and some advanced techniques to make your jump rope journey a success. Before we start with the techniques, it's important to understand the basic requirements for jump roping. First, you need a good quality jump rope that's the right length for your height. To check, step on the middle of the rope and pull the handles up. They should reach just under your armpits. Key points to remember: stand tall with your feet slightly apart. Hold the rope handles firmly, with your wrists doing most of the work. Keep your elbows close to your sides. Start with the rope behind your feet, and as you swing it over your head, jump lightly over it. Now that we're warmed up, let's explore some basic techniques that are great for beginners. Single bounce. The single bounce is the foundation of jump roping. Simply jump with both feet slightly off the ground as the rope passes under you. Remember to maintain a steady rhythm and keep your jumps low to conserve energy. Running in place. This technique involves alternating your feet as if running, but in place. It's a fantastic way to increase your heart rate and add variety to your routine. Boxer step. In the boxer step, you shift your weight from one foot to the other, with one foot touching the ground at a time. It mimics the footwork of a boxer and helps improve your balance and agility. For those ready to take their skills to the next level, these advanced techniques can add intensity and fun to your workouts. Double unders. A double under requires you to jump higher than usual while spinning the rope twice under your feet in a single jump. It's all about timing and power. Start slow and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Crisscross. This flashy move involves crossing and uncrossing your arms in front of you while the rope passes under your feet. It looks cool and is excellent for improving coordination. Freestyle. Freestyle jumping is where you get creative and combine different techniques to create a routine. There are no specific rules here. Just have fun and experiment with various moves. Jump roping is not only a great cardiovascular workout but also a fun way to enhance your coordination and agility. Whether you're sticking to the basics or experimenting with advanced techniques, the key is to keep practicing and enjoy the process. We hope this guide helps you on your jump rope journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.